Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds by breaking the expression down into simple, manageable, bite-sized pieces. First, we use the linearity of the integral to separate the sum into two distinct parts, making each term much easier to handle individually. Watch this, it is super simple. Next, we integrate. The integral of secant squared is tangent, and for the power term, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new power. You got this! Finally, we simplify the second term. -1 times x to the -1 is simply -1 over x, matching our final answer. Let's go! That is correct! Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Selvi. Avoid bad exponents by using the power rule and always double-check your signs.